Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see the solution for second question in exercise 5.3. So let's start with the first subdivision. Find dy by dx when x is equal to 4t and y is equal to 4 by t. So x is given to be 4t and y is equal to 4 by t. Let's compute dx by dt. So dx by dt is equal to 4. dy by dt is equal to minus 4 by t squared. Why? Because with respect to t, if I take this is 4t power minus 1. So differentiation is minus 4 by t square. Now we need to find out what is dy by dx. dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. So this is going to be minus 4 by t squared, the whole thing divided by 4. So 4 and 4 will get striked out. So the answer is minus 1 by t squared. So here dy by dx is minus 1 by t squared. Now let's take up the second subdivision. Here x is equal to t plus 1t. Sorry, 1 by t. So x is equal to t plus 1 by t and y is equal to t minus 1 by t. Let's compute dx by dt. So dx by dt is equal to 1 minus 1 by t square. Differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Let's compute dy by dt. dy by dt is 1 minus of minus 1. So it will become 1 plus 1 by t squared. So now you need to compute dy by dx, which is nothing but dy by dt, the whole thing divided by dx by dt. So this is 1 plus 1 by t square, the whole thing by 1 minus 1 by t square. I'm going to take LCM in the numerator and denominator. So it is t square plus 1 by t square, the whole thing t square minus 1 by t square. T square and t square will get cancelled. So it is t square plus 1 divided by t square minus 1. So the answer for the second subdivision is t square plus 1 divided by t square minus 1. In the next video, we will see solution to the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.